Okay, so right now start na natin ang ating activity 9 for computer aided drafting, which is magti 3D model tayo ng isang car wheel or the rim of the car wheel in general. So in this activity, we're basically gonna apply all of the things that we have learned and apply and done from activity 1 to 8. Okay, basic application from all of the learnings. So here I have my template ready, the TSU template ready in our layout para later. And then first we're gonna start this. As I complete this procedure of drawing the item, I will walk you through with everything that I have been doing, explaining everything thoroughly as much as possible while drawing. So let's start. First, we put construction lines turn on the ortho and the grid mode. There. Then off natin yung grid mode, and then we're gonna start our 2D base of the wheel. So first, because it's a wheel circle, the diameter for the first circle is 12, second circle 24, third circle is 48, fourth circle 51.6, then the last circle is 57.6. After nyan, we'll offset this construction line to the right, so offset tool, set the distance. The distance is 10.5, so we're gonna put this distance 10.5. Type ko clearly here that the distance that we put is 10.5. okay, wala nang iba, so enter. So this is your distance, 10.5. yan. After that, off natin yung ortho mode to draw a diagonal line here with a angle of 30 degrees. There, off natin. Turn on natin yung ortho mode, and then next is we're gonna put a radius, a circle radius with a measurement of 21 dyan. So as you can see on this upper part, meron tayong na-form na parang triangle with a arc from these lines. So basically this is just like the design for the holes of the wheel. I don't know the function of the holes yet, maybe in the future, pero it's for me it's just design or aesthetic. So for that, we're gonna fillet these parts right here. So first, fillet tool, set natin yung radius, fillet tool, radius with the radius of 1.8 for the lower left, same radius for the upper right, and then a different for the upper left, R3. Yeah. After that, we will trim the excess part from the guidelines. Delete, and then after that, we're gonna array this line. First, we have to isolate the construction lines so that they won't be in the way. So hide natin muna sila. Then select this object right here, polar array it to the center of the circle, and there we have it. Six sort of triangles in design. So close the array, turn back the construction lines, and then we're gonna put another circle diameter. This is a guideline circle, or simply offset naman pala tayo. Offset with the distance of 3 from this inner circle to the outer circle. Now this is gonna be the guide for our smaller circle for the bolts or the screws for the wheel. So this has a diameter of 2.4. Yan. Then i-delete natin to, hide natin ulit to, And then we're gonna polar array this one as well. So that's basically it. Natapos na ang ating 2D base for the drawing. Now let's make it 3D. First, iba natin yung view here. Switch the mode to 3D basics, and then press pull tool again, starting from the center. Wait, before that, ilagyan natin siya ng shade so that hindi tayo maguluhan. Kasi pag maraming lines, maguguluhan tayo. So press pull. The center part right here. This has a measurement height of 3. Change your orientation and press pull again. 3. Same procedure para dito sa middle part and then the semi-outer part with different measurements. So press pull to 1.8, change orientation, press pull this part 1.8, revert back, press pull itong sa labas, this is 6, and then this part, press pull this part 6. Change view natin sa ating front view, semi front view. Hindi siya pwedeng okay, so let's change it. Press pull again. Now this, press pull upwards with a measurement of 1.8, and then i-offset natin siya and align it with this height, with the top part. So escape natin yan, click natin itong center. 4.8 is the measurement. Ayan, align na sila. Escape tool, change orientation, same process. Press pull, zoom 1.8, and then escape 4.8. There we go. Escape, back to the top view, zoom ng konti, union, select everything, change your views and make sure that everything is selected and then press enter. Back to the upper part view and top view. Isolate natin to, out natin yung ortho mode. Move natin sa right, isolate natin sa base nya. There we have, enter. Close ortho mode and go back to this view right here. Actually, move pa natin ang ortho. Next step is to fillet edge. Okay, so first, unahin na lang natin yung outside for the inside. Let's switch our way outside in instead of inside out. Fillet edge, radius 0.6. Basically every corner dapat nasakop. Go to the bottom view. Dito tayo tumingin. Make sure na maselect natin lahat. Okay, punta tayo dito sa view na to. Yan. Okay. So, the first thing na titignan natin is they should be parallel to each other. Double check sa taas. Pag similar siya sa baba. Okay. Enter. Okay, next, fillet natin ulit. R, enter, enter. This part right here. Na-fillet na itong mga to. Okay. Top view, itong part na to. There we go. Enter, enter. Okay, it's totally filleted. Next na i-fillet natin is itong rims. So, same process. Fillet R6. Gagawin natin 3 at a time. So, ito muna. Okay, flip. Enter. Oops, hindi siya na-fillet. Oh my god. Enter. Change view. Enter. Okay. Dito tayo sa bottom part. Dito, fillet again. Same radius, 0.6. Enter, enter. Ayan. Go back to this part. Go back to the part. Okay, so tapos na ating next step is to add color. So material. Material, select natin is metallic. Yan, and metallic, this one right here, drag natin siya dito. Okay, close this, change the shade to realistic. Yan, it looks more realistic actually. Okay, so since natapos na natin ang ating 2D model, the base for drawing, punta na tayo sa layout and let's put it in this paper. So first things first, page setup, modify, 1:1. Okay, close, scale, move natin ulit to and then we scale it. Scale, reference, as close as possible. Okay, F8, move slightly above. Zoom in, close natin yung F8, dyan. Okay, now we insert our base from the model space, of course. Here, orientation, top view, of course, center, and then isometric lang muna natin, enter. Change this, change the scale to 1:20. Edit view, solid with hidden lines, enter. Move natin to pababa. Natin ito pataas. Next step, we go to drafting and annotation. We go to annotate at the center mark at the outermost part of the circle. Zoom in, layout, add the detail view to the mother project. Tapos dito sa upper corner over here, off natin yung ortho mode. Too high, detail again. Move pa ng konti. Here. Masyado malayo. Dito. Yeah, perfect. Make sure na as much as possible hindi siya nagka-crash. Okay. F8. Enter, lagyan mo lang dyan for the time being. Okay, next is off natin tong mga to. Section, half section here, this part. Close. Baba. Just a little bit. Move natin siya dito. Enter. Close natin F8 and then project natin to from this, enter, move this to where this is, align natin. view, same with the one right here. Yan. Okay, dalawa ng ating 3D. Next, last part of sectioning, another detail view. Dito detail, ball, ko na lang, tatanchain ko na lang here. There we go. And then F8 na lang natin para diretso up here. Enter out natin yung F8. There we go. Next part, scale natin itong mga to, size ng text 0.15, good enough. Then reposition them here. This part is somewhere around here. Ito dito, ito up. Oops. Okay, next we're gonna add the text dito sa tatlong to. So go home here, this caps lock section scale 1 is to 20, and then copy selection. I think here, tapos to copy selection and center it at least here. Yan, section scale and text edit course. This is isometric scale. And this is just scale. Properties, text height 0.15, close, tapos center na lang to. Okay, last thing is maglalagay tayo ng dimensions for the drawing. So the first thing is we need to add a layer. The layer, ito lang natin dimension, and then set natin yung color sa blue. Okay. Close, change layers to dimension, and then we're gonna add dimensions. First, eto, linear. This one, two. Oh yeah, I forgot annotate. Palitan natin, modify na lang natin. Primary unit suffix is space inch, place inch, decimal place is 1, and then text size is 0.15, arrow size is 0.15, and then overall scale from primary second scale factor. Overall scale is 0.5. Okay, close. There we go. 10.5 inch. Hindi na lang natin dyan. Off natin yung auto mode. And then home, angular, this to this. Ilayan na lang ng konti sa B. There we go, double click. And then this is 30, and then symbol degrees. That, enter. There we go, 30 degrees down there. Next is diameters. Diameter, muna to. Another diameter here, and then the last diameter here. What? Diameter here. Next step is another diameter here, and 48, another diameter here, 1.6, and then the last diameter 7.h. Next step is here sa taas, radius. Ito radius dito 1.8, radius dito 1.8, and then the last radius is here, 21.1. Okay, last dimensioning area is this part right here. Okay, so all linear itong mga to from here to here. From 6 inch. Let's try this is 6 inch, and then to 12. Up. Top of the range. Next lower part. Just lang natin yan. Last two here, 9.6, and then 32.2 inch. Oh, yeah. And then radius and last. Okay, so double check natin. Okay, so this is the final output for our activity 9. But first, i-edit pa natin yung title block sa block editor. So let's just zoom in and text edit. Take number 9 and text edit. So natapos natin siya today at 4/16/2021. So 4/16/2021. Close block editor and then save. Okay, so this is the final output. There. Level check ko lang if may nakalimutan ako or something. Okay. Yeah, session symmetric scale 1:20, 1:20. Naka-scale na rin siya 1:20 section. Bakit ang highlight? Center text rotation in text. Okay na. Okay, close ka na lang. Escape. Okay, again, ito siya naka-zoom. Pwede daw naka-fit to window siya na zoom. Everything is accurate. Measurements, the drawings, very accurate. Okay, ano naman, naka-metallic naman na TSU ano natin, template is exactly what it is. Section BB is detail C, as you can see when I alt tab. So yan, it's pretty much the same. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano itanggal siya dito, pero I assume iniba ko lang yung yung size ng text height ng dimension para hindi sila masyadong cramp. Nag-assume lang ako ng value. So this is pretty much it. You know, I'm very proud of what I have done today. Medyo mahirap siyang i-construct pero worth it naman yung pagka-construct niya sa dulo. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Feel ko perfect tong pagkakagawa ko. Exactly the same. I'll tell it na nakaka-satisfy lang. Wala akong mahanap na may slight differences lang in terms of the text size, pero basically it's the same. Tsaka mas maliit yung view ko dito compared dito sa window view sa browser, pero it's the same. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.